This project involves using agentic engineering to build a dashboard. The existing framework of the dashboard is already present, and this represents many of the existing technological challenges where one has to integrate a new functionality into an existing framework of a solution. So right now I have a financial dashboard that currently shows technical patterns. So these are the trading patterns in prices. Now I want to augment it by showing certain fundamental data related to GAAP earnings announcements, quarterly earnings announcements from different companies. Those companies currently are components of the Dow Jones Index, and I can augment that later. But the challenge is to integrate this earnings dashboard, which will be a aperture into gap earnings and also some forward-looking measures, which are non-gap and which are based on, for example, analyst sentiment, and embed this dashboard along with the other technical pattern-based data, which can be used for efficient portfolio management. So I used agentic engineering to basically first build a design document which tells the agent how to integrate this new dashboard, which will show different earnings for different quarters, and integrate it into this existing website. And that was the design. And then I had to add a skill which told the agent on how to respect the existing conventions on UX functionality. So when it added a new feature, it had to respect the look and feel of existing elements, and then add React elements which enhanced and also effectuated the functionality that I would like to present on this dashboard, which is primarily all the different metrics that I have chosen, which are uniform. Most of them are GAAP, for example, revenue estimates, year over year revenue changes, the top and bottom line earnings changes, and they are presented in a uniform manner. They are shown in a $1 billion figure, and the year over year changes are shown in percentages, and where the sentiment is exceeding or towards the positive side, its color is shown in green. And when, for example, if the earnings guidance has been reduced or a top and bottom line guidance is reduced, its color is shown as red, and if it is maintained, it is shown in a neutral white color. So those conventions and those patterns have to be told. An agent has to respect those, and once those requirements are there in the document, then I created a reusable skill where I told the agent on how to examine the existing utilities and the existing UI elements and make all those changes in conformance with the existing pattern of UX interfaces. So once that was done, then I embedded that skill in the agents.md, and then I created a reusable prompt. So that reusable prompt is basically instructing the agent on which metrics to pull in, which stock tickers to use, and the presentation, the style to present. Now these metrics have been chosen, and again, they are a part of the design document. Most of them are just directly from gap earnings measures, that the company tells in its earnings call. A few of them are non-gap in a sense that they are forward-looking. They are based on analyst estimates, and some of them are just revisions to top and bottom line estimates, which are very indicative, which tell whether a company has performed well compared to its year-over-year performance over the similar quarter over the past year, so that it does not include seasonal effects. And with that, it presents a complete picture of both the forward-looking, the current, and the backward-looking estimates. Some are non-gap, some are gap, and some are just sentiment scores. So using this dashboard, both institutional and retail investors can give a very quick understanding of which investments are good, how to rebalance their portfolios, and use this fundamental data and augment it with some of the other technical trading data, which I have presented in another tab. and use it to make intelligent investment decisions. And moreover, these features can be implemented very quickly. So that's where agentic engineering delivers most of its benefits, where it is guardrailed, where it is properly benchmarked, and then it can be used to augment the existing dashboards, existing technical solutions, without spending too much time on the actual implementation, which used to happen pre-agentic engineering days. So this project then gives a bird's eye view on all the steps that need to be taken to make a project work in agentic engineering world, and it delivers the full range of benefits of moving to an agent. Thank you.